Starting with Smith machine hack squats, these are going to put an emphasis on the glutes and quads. You're going to step in front of the bar, leaning back onto it, letting it sit on your upper traps. You want your feet about shoulder width apart, and you're going to sit down deep into the squat. Make sure your core is braced throughout the entire movement, and when you get to the bottom, push up through your heels. A little hack when doing Bulgarian split squats is to sit on the edge of the bench and place your working leg directly in front of you, straight out, and that will be where you need to rise up on your heel. Bracing your core, you want to have a slight forward lean and sit directly back into your glutes. Make sure your knees stack directly over your ankles to make sure you're protecting that knee joint. Once hitting parallel, exhale and push up through your heel, keeping tension in your glute. Next, we are going into close stance leg press. You can play around with your foot position. The higher you place your heels, the more emphasis on your glutes. You want to have your back flat against the chair. Your feet are going to be a little closer than shoulder width apart. Chin tucked, core braced. You're going to slowly lower the weight, and when you reach the bottom of the movement, we're pushing through our heels. Again, make sure your knee is stacked over your ankle and in line with your middle toes. This is going to help prevent injury as well as properly recruit your muscles throughout the entire movement. Next is the calf press. You're going to sit down, placing the balls of your feet on the pedal, and you're going to push downward until your ankles are almost locked out, and then slowly let your feet back up until you have a full stretch in your calves. You also want to keep a slight bend in your knees and prevent your legs from completely locking out. Again, this is going to prevent knee injury as well as maximize muscle recruitment. We are finishing this leg day with time under tension leg extensions to completely burn out our quads. You want to sit with your back flat against the chair and have the lower pad directly above your feet. You're going to brace your core and slowly extend your legs with a brief pause at the top and slowly lowering back down to the starting position.